Gusto mo bang malaman kung anong app ang magandang gamitin to download videos sa Facebook, YouTube, TikTok at Instagram? If yes, then panoorin mo ng buo ang video ito.
First, go to Google to download the app. Now, whereas this app is free and no watermark. Next, search VidMate and click mo yung unang lumabas sa search. Next, click official download. Then, open the file downloaded. Next, click settings. Then, allow the app to install. After you install the app, it will be on your home page and you can now use it. Next, open VidMate app. Let's try to download. So for YouTube, click YouTube. Select or search the video you want to download. Like for example, this video. Just click download button, select video resolution, more on 720p HD, and click download. Then kung may download ka naman sa Instagram, just click Instagram. And then mag-login ka if hindi ka pa naka-login. And then, like for example, ito, anak ni Angelica Panganiban. So just click the download button. Then click download. All your downloads will be saved to your device. Let's try now sa Facebook. So here, sinerch ko yung ABS-CBN News. And then try natin tong i-download na balita. Click download button and then video resolution, then click download. You can also download in TikTok, Twitter, Google, and etc. Matagal ko na itong ginagamit na app guys and it's so convenient.
So yun lang guys for today's video. So kung nakatulong ako or nakapagbigay ng bagong information, please subscribe for more tutorial videos. And thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!